Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You cannot bypass activation locks lawfully, so begin by assembling proof: original receipt, device serial or IMEI, and your photo ID. Contact the current Apple ID holder first if possible. Resolving ownership amicably is fastest. Once done, make sure screenshots or scans of those documents are clear and dated. Explain to Apple precisely when and where you bought the device. Keep calm and patient. This evidence is what enables official account removal without the password. You will need to open a case with Apple support or visit an Apple store for activation lock assistance. Explain you lack the password and present your proof of purchase and ID. Apple verifies ownership before any removal. Once verified, they may remove iCloud activation or guide account recovery. Make sure to note the case number and expected timeline. If asked to submit documents, use secure official upload methods. Never share documents publicly or through unverified third parties. After Apple approves, follow their steps to remove the iCloud link. This often requires a short processing period and confirmation from their team. Once done, restore or set up the device with your own Apple ID and verify Find My and Activation Lock status. If Apple denies the request, request escalation and submit any additional documentation you can legally obtain. Troubleshooting tip: if you hit a dead end, avoid third-party unlocking services and insist on official channels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.